Good morning, everyone. Today, we're gonna go out here and we're gonna jump the clutch safety switch as kind of a temporary thing. I will be ordering a Deutsch connector to do it a little bit more properly than I'm going to do it today. I'm just doing it today for science. And then we're gonna get down there and put a new connector for the battery to power things because it's just a broken wire right now. So we're going to put a little bit better connector on that, and if we can get to it today, we're going to put a new ground on the ECU to the firewall just to make sure that's nice and grounded. Let's get down here. Oh no, my thumb's in the way. Some big boomer energy right there. Passenger door in the Samurai, and then you get down here. Get you in close. Click to pop the hood. Feels good right now, but I think it's gonna heat up today pretty good. I don't know if I got to mention, but it's got the factory Honda hood mod already done. It's nifty. It's a nifty little ride. All right, so I'm gonna pull the truck down here, get some tools situated, and then we're gonna get started. All right, so some of the tools we're gonna be using today. I got this little butane torch here a while back at my local hardware store, and it doubles as a soldering iron. And so, if you look real close, it's got flat spots on it. I don't know if it's gonna focus. It's got flat spots on the sides of that point. I can unscrew that, and then it's an open-ended torch. So I can heat shrink with that, or I can put the tip back on and solder with it. So I'm gonna keep that in there. Stick everything in the Samurai. I'm gonna run to my truck. I think I might actually back my truck down here. Well, man, it's in the shade. I got the sun beating down on me. This is the wrong time of day to be doing this, but here we are. I'm gonna roll the windows down in this, grab my truck, and back it down here with all the tools in it. I love how fast these windows go down, even though they're crank windows. Done. Look at those. Let's get over here. And get this thing moved. Oh, come on. That's like the only indication this truck's ever been wrecked. It was an insurance truck that my grandma bought when she totaled her other one out. And she didn't total it out. She got hit and it got totaled out. So that's how that went down. Down here, just get the tools down close to the Sammy. Plus the tailgate will make a nice little workbench for me. Try not to get so close I can't get in the door of the Samurai. I'm gonna be working right there. Ooh. Don't back over the carport. That's important. Oh yeah, I got plenty of room. Wow, okay, that's been unlocked all night. Fancy that. Right. Okay, I need to get into one of the, actually a couple of these. This out of the way. I need to, I want to build a bed slider for this thing where I can slide all my tools out may be accessible, but that's gonna have to be a project that happens a little bit later on. I don't think I'm gonna need that. I am gonna need this. Those are super. I need to like power wash those off and leave them out to dry somewhere. Come on. What are we hung on? Oh, that freaking jack. Oh. Tire inflator. I need to. Ah, come on now. Nice. All this crap cleaned up. Super organized, as you can tell. Okay. We're going to be using these little butt connectors. They have solder in the middle of them, and then they have these rubber bands in them that shrink up and make it weather tight. And then we're going to be using some heat shrink. I grab these two sizes. I think that's all I'm going to need. Right there. Wire strippers, some cutters, I think it's out. I think that's it. Get this out of the way. So, there ain't nothing to it but to do it, right? Alright. We're back under the dash. It's like my second home. Curiosity. Yeah, it's not even trying. Okay, well, before we go cutting wires, we're gonna disconnect the battery for safety and stuff. Yeah, that's still gonna be so improved when I get done with it. Okay. Today might be the day that we fix it. Can't get in there like that. I can get in here like this though. Okay, reach up here. It's this right here. Oh, grab my wire strippers. Grab my heat shrink too. Ow. That needs to be taken apart. It's taped together. I don't like that. We had some air conditioning issues in the house, and so I wanted to stay inside and wait for the dude to get here to fix it. And not have, not be sweaty and dirty when he got here. I think I can use the smaller one if I can get to it. There we go. Oh yeah. Push that. Come on. Oh, it's hung up. Alright, come on now. Come on, sweetheart. I don't want to twist them because I want these copper ends, these copper strands to get in there, meet up with each other, kind of mesh with each other. Pop that one back out. Thinking this connector might be already shrunk up a little bit. It has been spending a lot of quality time in the back of my really hot truck. Let me grab another one of these real quick. They all kind of look like that. They're a little bit smaller on the one side because these wires are the same size. But I don't want to use a bigger one of these because I like the fit. Come on. I keep getting that one little stray copper strand that hangs it up from going in there all the way. This is ridiculous. Oh, now it won't come off. Well, that one's ruined. Okay. Get my little butane torch. And I gotta remember how to turn it on. I'm just waiting for the solder to start bleeding inside there. As soon as it does that, we're good. All right. Just don't drip scalding solder on my phone. We'll be in good shape. I'm gonna sit here and let that cool for a moment. And then I'm gonna slide that other heat shrink down over that and keep it a little bit more protected. Okay, so what I've done is I have, when I bumped up the size of my little heat shrink connector, I did not bump the size up of my black heat shrink. And so this is no longer big enough to get over the top of that. And I accidentally shrunk a little bit at the end of it. But it's still... Well, it might have gotten over it. Strip off some more wire here. I really love these. These were like $19 on Amazon. And you can look and you can see, you squeeze, and they come down and they grab the two sections of jacket on the wire and then pull it apart. And then you get this little adjustable stop so you can push that out and you can strip more. I really love these. Stick that on there. Stick it as far up as we can get it. Stick that there. Swap ends. Make sure that'll go up in there. You see, that's my freaking problem. I don't understand why. I'm almost wondering what would happen if I cut this off right there. Just left that little red ring, because that little red ring is going to shrink up and hug the insulation on the wire itself really nicely. Ooh, that actually worked out really well. Oh yeah, I feel way better about this. Get that up out of the way. Pick my old torchy torch. This is the first time I've really used it, and I've already blued the steel on the front of it. Ooh. Don't you know that's hot? We're gonna wait just a minute and let that kind of cool off. All right, get my torch back out. I don't know how far this heat blows out of this thing, so I don't want to just point a bunch of rogue heat up into the dash too long. All right, we got that done. I will see you topside for the battery. All right, I'm gonna take her stuff over here to this. The battery's unhooked. I think I tried to start the vehicle earlier while I was laying on the floor while the battery was disconnected. Okay. I'm gonna need two hands for this. I don't have a tripod yet, So you're gonna have to just trust me when I say that I'm doing this alone. Well, I got it cut, but I can't find my eyelets anywhere. Oh, I know what I put them in the other. I put them in the passenger floorboard of the Samurai. Duh. Because I was like, this is gonna make it super easy for me to get to them. And I forgot where I put them. I'm gonna use this one. This one. I'm gonna make sure this fits on where it needs to fit on. So I need 2 hands, so give me a minute. Okay, trying to get everything situated. I got this crimped on there pretty good. I don't think it's going anywhere. I'm gonna slide this heat shrink up over top of it and heat it up, but once again, 2-hand job. I really do need to invest in a tripod of some sort. Okay. I got it crimped down and got the heat shrink on it. It's hot, it's bright, so I'm under the carport for shade right now. I don't think I'm gonna do the ground on the ECU today. I think I'm gonna wait and do that on like a cool morning or something. I think this is all I'm gonna do today. Now, if somebody wants to get me an air-conditioned shop, I could work a little bit later in the day, but I've only been out here for like 20 minutes, maybe. And I'm hot and I'm tired and I already need a shower. So, it is what it is. I'm gonna hook everything back up and then we're gonna go in there and try and test start it and see what happens. Got the battery all hooked back up. Got the clutch safety switch bypassed. So, in theory, something should happen. I turn the key on. Dash lights. Good. Starter clicked. All right. I'm going to oh. Nope, can't do that with the brakes locked, dummy. Next thing is gonna be starter, I think. All right, well, I'm gonna go ahead and just sign off because I'm hot, I'm tired. I gotta put tools up, close this thing up. So it's been fun. It's been real. It has been real fun. I'm hot and sweaty. I'm gonna go inside and get something cold to drink, get me a shower. Might take my cold drink into the shower. I don't know yet. Yeah, it's starting to sound like a plan. Thanks for watching.